Okay, today we're doing some hot and fast chicken wings on the charcoal grill outside. It's actually essentially a spit roaster, but we're going to use it as a grill today. So first of all, get your chicken drumsticks, cover them with olive oil as a binder for our barbecue rub. Today we're using the all-purpose barbecue rub from Meat Church, the Gospel. So once you get your chicken drumsticks seasoned up nicely, you can go ahead and prep your coals and your charcoal. So all we're going to do today is using 2 bricks as sort of a to keep them all in one spot. We're going to light our heat beads. We're going to chuck in some charcoal. We're going to chuck in a couple of wood chunks. This is cherry, just to add a little bit more smoke flavour, and get them on the grill. These are going to take 35 to 45 minutes, hot and fast. Turning them every 5 minutes because you don't want one side to get too burnt. So you can even add a spritz too if you want. I didn't find it necessary because the chicken was remaining nice and moist over these coals. So go ahead and turn those guys, and they'll be ready to take off any minute now. So there we go, the finished product, hot and fast chicken drumsticks. We've added a few spring onions there for a bit of presentation. Absolutely sensational. Oh yeah, that is fantastic. Cheers for watching, everyone.